Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Nana. What I should start now?
I
Nana?
have
Uh, do you have Akash?
yes, sir.
See the
Yes.
page number 8. All of you.
You should start monohybrid test cross.
I explained no monohybrid cross. Yes or no?
The test cross, back cross.
That I will explain. No problem.
Yeah.
Page number 8, you read law of dominance, law of segregation. I already completed. Just you read those two. Any doubts are there in those two paragraphs? You can ask.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, what will be the genotype of F1 tall plant, sir?
F1.
Tall plant.
What capital T, small t, no?
Sir, then,
Sir, in the exam they gave it as small t and small t.
That is key mistake.
sir, capital T is not possible, sir.
Where
In F1 tall plant.
possible. If parent is like this, you will get like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If parent is like this, you will get like this. Okay, now.
Yes,
By pollination, you get a capital T, capital T. For self pollination, small. If you do cross pollination,
capital T small.
hmm, Self-pollination, same. Self-pollination like this. Cross-pollination. Okay, na?
Okay.
Read thoroughly those two. Law of dominance, law of segregation. Okay, na?
Yes.
So what is written beside outcomes?
First, what I told you, read, I told you, no?
Yes, sir.
Did I told you? First, you concentrate on that. Any doubts you are, if you are having, you can ask. Shall I start? Nana,
Okay, sir.
Yes.
any doubt? Law of dominance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. Factors means here
Gene.
Genes.
genes. Genes occur
Pairs.
Pair of
Yes.
alleles.
in dissimilar pair.
One is dominant, other is recessive.
Recessive. Okay, na? So what law of dominance explain the expression of only one parental character in F1 generation and expression of both the parental characters in F2 generation in 3:1 ratio. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3:1 ratio. And law of segregation, when alleles of a gene present together, they do not mix or blend together during meiosis or during meiosis, gamete formation or spore formation. The alleles of the same gene, they get separated, no?
Yes.
And separated alleles of the same gene, they enters into the each gamete. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So gamete is pure, no?
Yes, sir.
Any mixing is seen, huh?
No, sir.
So that is law of segregation or purity of gametes. Okay. So the gametes formation takes place in equal proportion, no? Yes or no? If 50% male gametes means 50% female gametes, no?
Yes, sir.
If 25% capital T are there, 25%
Small t.
these are female gametes, no. This side, left side, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Female gamete with capital T, female gamete with small t, male gamete with capital T, male gamete with small t. They formed in equal proportion, no, equal ratios, no?
Yes.
Yes or no? These are the female gametes. Two types are found. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If female, if you take male, so male also capital T, small t, equal proportion they are formed, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Male gamete capital T, female gamete capital T, male gamete capital T, one. Male, female gamete small t, male gamete small t, equal proportions. Okay, na? Next. What is the next topic name?
Back cross.
Back cross. What is back cross? What is this?
First generation.
Individual of the when F1 individual, which individual, Nana?
F1 in.
When F1 individual is crossed with its either of its parent. Which parents?
Either of its parents.
Either of its parents is known as
Back cross.
Back cross.
this is the F1 progeny formed from these two parents, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Who are the parents of F1? Capital T, small t, small t. Yes or no? Pure homozygous one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For this F1 gene, who are the parents? These two are the parents, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what is back cross? Cross is made between the F1 individual with its
Parents.
Parents.
is known as
Back cross.
back cross. Okay. Back cross, how many types?
Two types.
Out cross and
Test cross.
out cross is also known as dominant back cross. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Recessive backcross.
Recessive backcross. Okay, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the other name for dominant backcross?
Outcross.
Outcross.
Other name for recessive backcross?
Test cross.
Test cross.
Okay. If you see this diagram, what is this?
F1 generation.
F1 progeny crossed with
Parent.
Dominant.
dominant homozygous parent is called
Outcross.
Outcross.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
What is this?
F1 progeny.
Crossed with
Recessive homozygous.
is known as
Test cross. Test cross.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So F1 progeny is going back. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Going back and crossing with either of its parents, no?
Yes, sir.
When F1 is going back and crossing with dominant parent,
Outcross.
when it is crossed with F1 progeny crossed with homozygous recessive parent,
Test cross. Test cross.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
So gametes, capital T, small t. Okay, na? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Capital T, capital T. So it is homozygous.
Tall.
Now, capital T, capital T.
Homozygous tall.
Next,
Heterozygous tall.
capital T, small.
Heterozygous.
Any dwarf or formed up?
No, sir.
No, sir.
100%
Tall plant.
dominant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the phenotypic ratio?
1:1.
1:0.
1:0.
Genotypic ratio
1:1.
is capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Capital T is 2. Capital T, small t is 2. So ratio will become 1:1, no? Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Followed up?
Will be 4:0.
Yes, sir.
Capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, 2 are there. Capital T, small t, heterozygous tall genotypes 2 are there. So 1:1 genotypic ratio. Okay, na?
The phenotypic ratio will be 4:0, no, sir.
4 is mean 100%, no.
The 4 tall plants are there, no, sir. So it will be 4:0.
Okay, 4:0 means it become 1:0 only, no? Tall only, no? One type only, no?
Yes.
Oh, yes or no, Anna? One
Yes.
type only, no? Yes or no, Anna? If 100 are 1,000 are there, 1 lakh are there, only one type, no, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Next year, test cross. What is test cross?
Crossing of F1 progeny with the recessive homozygous pair.
Okay. Capital T, small t. What is formed?
Heterozygous tall.
Heterozygous tall.
Yes.
Next,
Heterozygous tall.
how many are formed?
2.
2. Oh. This is
Homozygous
Homozygous
dwarf.
This is what is the phenotypic ratio tallest to dwarf?
1:1.
Capital T, capital genotypic ratio
1:1.
1:1.
Yes.
Capital T, small t, these are 2, no?
Yes.
These are 2. So ratio become 1:1, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? What is the common between the dominant backcross and recessive backcross?
F1
Genotype.
generation.
Genotypic ratio.
What is backcross?
Crossing of F1
F1
progeny with their
going back
parent,
and crossing back
either
with
of their parent.
parents.
When F1 progeny crossed with the dominant parent,
Out.
Outcross.
Outcross.
when it is crossed with recessive parent,
S cross.
okay. Okay. What is this pair? This one? What is this one? What is this plant phenotypically?
Tall plant.
Tall plant.
Okay. In F2 generation, what is this plant?
Tall.
Tall plant. What is this plant?
Tall.
Tall plant.
But external appearance is tall. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which tall you tell me? This is
Heterozygous tall.
how you know? How you know? How you
Tall
know?
and dwarf.
How you know?
Sir, when we crossed them, we got 3 tall and 1 short.
We don't know. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We need to cross them again.
So, why test cross is done, you know?
To verify if it's homozygous or heterozygous tall.
Pardon, please.
Sir, is it to verify if it's homozygous
Test
tall?
cross is help us to find out the genotype of dominant individual. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Test cross is done to find out the test. We are testing the genotype of the dominant parent, whether it is a homozygous or heterozygous. Whether it is, are you following, Nana? Whether it is in F1 progeny, F2 progeny, F3 generation, F4 generation, anyone, the dominant characters are seen, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when I am showing the tall plants of parents, tall plants of F1 generation, tall plants of F2 generation, tall plants of F3 generation, F4 generation, but I am showing all tall. You are also accepting sir tall. But now I am asking, what is the genotype of this tall? So how one can find out the genotype? How one can
S
test
cross.
the genotype of the dominant parent? By
S cross.
Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Suppose now this is the I will go for your book. They are given the flower color example is given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Flower color. Capital W, small w. What is the F1 generation? Capital W.
Small
This is
w.
color? Violet. This is which color?
White.
White. This is which color?
Violet.
Violet. Again, you do. In this case, Nana, if you want to find out, okay, For example, first cross, capital W, small w, capital W, capital W. Sorry. Now I'm showing a violet flower to you. Which flower, Nana?
Violet.
Violet flower I am showing. When I am showing the violet flower, this can be two conditions. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Nana?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, suppose if you are doing like this, what you will get? Please you tell me.
Capital W, small w.
Small w, small w, capital W, capital W, capital W, small w, capital W, small w, capital W, small w, capital. Any recessives are formed?
No, sir.
So that means it is confirmed that it is homozygous dominant. Correct?
Heterozygous, no, sir.
This one. You tested this one, no?
Yes.
What you did, homozygous parent you are. You don't know whether it is a dominant violet color. This dominant violet color is the homozygous or heterozygous?
Homozygous.
You don't know first. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what you did, you made the test cross. Means small w, small w. So all are heterozygous violet, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any single white flowers are formed.
No, sir.
So it is confirmed that it is 100% homozygous.
Dominant.
Dominant. Now you take this one. Now you tell me capital W, small w, capital W, small w. Here, small w, small w, small w, small w. Now you take here, violet and white flowers are formed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In ratio 1:1, no?
Yes, sir.
So now you confirmed that yes, this is
Heterozygous.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So test cross is carried out to find out the
Genotype.
genotype of the
Dominant parent.
parent, whether it is in F1 generation or F2 generation or F3 generation or so on. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
You got clarity, no?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, no?
No, sir.
So test cross is carried to find out the test cross helps to find out the
Genotype of a
Genotype of the dominant.
dominant individual. Okay. What is the next topic? What is the next one?
Incomplete dominance.
Okay. What is the topic?
Gene interaction.
These are two types. How many types? Two types. Okay, na?
Yes.
Allelic interaction. Or intra. Intra means within the same. Okay, na? Intragenic interaction. Alleles of the same gene interaction. That is known as Nana. Ray. What are these two? Alleles of the same gene, no?
Yes.
Interaction among the alleles of the same gene is known as
Intragenic interaction.
or what are these two?
Allele.
Allelic interaction. Okay, na?
Yes.
Opposite to allelic interaction is non-allelic interaction. Or
Extragenic.
intra-opposite intergenic interaction. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. A, B, C. This is one chromosome. Okay, na? A, B, C. So this interaction is known as,
Allelic
Allelic interaction.
this interaction is known as,
allelic interaction.
this interaction is known as,
Allelic interaction.
this and this,
Non-allelic.
Non-allelic.
this and this,
Non-allelic.
Non-allelic.
this and this,
Non-allelic.
this and this,
Non-allelic.
and A and B,
Allelic.
non-allelic. Yes or no? Two
Yes,
different
sir.
genes, Nora?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes or no? See, A is there, B is there. These are allelic genes or non-allelic genes?
Non-allelic.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This comes under this comes under here. Okay, na?
Yes.
What is allelic interaction? Allelic interaction takes place alleles of the
Same.
Same
Same or different?
same genes which are present at the same locus. Correct?
Yes.
This is chromosome, Anana. These are homologous pair.
Yes, sir.
Homologous. Gene A, gene B, gene C, gene D, gene E, gene F. Here,
G.
a pair of
Allelic.
alleles. So, here allelic interaction takes place alleles of the same gene, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which are located on the same locus, no?
Yes.
sir.
Then it is known as
Allelic
Allelic
interaction.
interaction.
capital A, capital B. They are located on same locus, huh?
No, sir.
So this interaction is known as,
Non-allelic interaction.
this interaction is known as,
Non-allelic.
this interaction is known as, this interaction is known as non-allelic. But this interaction
Allelic interaction.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Actually, this allelic interaction, my topic name is exception of Mendelism, deviations of Mendelism. Okay, na?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the exceptions of Mendelism? So deviations of Mendelism. Okay, na? Any doubt, Abhay?
No, sir.
How many are there? First one. Incomplete dominance. Okay, na?
Yes.
Second one.
Go down.
Co-dominance. Okay, na? Any doubt, Abhay?
No, sir.
Third one.
Multiple alleles.
Pardon, please.
Multiple alleles.
Multiple allele. Fourth one.
Not given, sir, here.
Pleiotrophic gene.
Oh,
Fifth one. Lethal gene. Okay, na? This is not there in your syllabus. Remaining four are there. Okay, na?
yes, sir.
These are deviations of
Mendel's.
okay, na? No doubt, no bhai. Sure. Now I'm discussing. Wherever you get the doubt, you must ask. Okay, na? First, I will start with which one?
Incomplete dominance.
Incomplete down. Or
Partial dominance.
pardon, na?
Partial dominance.
Partial. Or intermediate. Inheritance. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Intermediate inheritance. Or blending inheritance. Or mosaic inheritance. Okay. Example. Flower color in Mirabilis. Jalapa. Commonly known as
4 o'clock plant.
4 o'clock.
this was this was first discovered by
Cornelius. Correns.
sorry, extremely sorry. Coherence. In which plant?
Mirabilis.
Mirabilis. Okay, na? Second example, which is given in your book. This is not there in your book. NCERT.
Anthraeum majus.
Antirrhinum,
Majus.
commonly known as
Snapdragon.
R. Which dragon?
Snap.
Snapdragon.
Okay, na?
Jalapa.
Mirabilis jalapa. Okay, na? Antirrhinum mazas. Okay. Feather coat color. Feather color in Andalusian fowls. Feather color in Andalusian cow. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Andalusian fowls. Better. Not cows. Fowls. Any doubt? of starch given in P.
As written videos.
Okay, na? These are the four.
Right?
Now,
What?
red color flower. Which color?
Red.
Red color flower. Crossed with
White.
white color. P for
Parent.
this is phenotype.
Phenotype.
This is
Genotype.
Genotype.
oh. Okay, na? Any doubt?
Annulation. Fragments.
Undulation. Fouls. Okay, na? Undulation foul. Okay?
Sir, can you read the D one?
Size of starch grain in P. Garden P. Okay, na? Size of starch grain in P. Okay. Now remove the gametes. Ara,
Yes, sir.
small ara. What is the F1 generation?
Capital R, small r.
Oh. All are
Pink.
deviation is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Deviation to law of dominance. Oh? Yes or no? No, no. Deviations to Mendel's law of dominance, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Here actually, according to Mendel, here it should be,
Red,
but instead of that,
Pink.
pink,
selfing. Capital R with capital R. Selfing. Or self-pollination. Chalo.
So what is written before pink?
Huh?
What is written above pink?
All are pink. Yes or no? Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Now you tell me.
Capital R, capital R.
Uh,
Capital R, small r.
uh,
Capital R, small r.
hmm.
Small r, small r.
Chalo, tell me phenotype.
Red, pink, pink, white, sir.
This is
Red.
red,
Pink.
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 White.
White.
white,
Pakka white.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Phenotypic ratio.
1:2:1.
Red, pink, white. Kada? Yes. Phenotypic ratio. What is the phenotypic ratio? Red. What is the phenotypic ratio?
1:2:1.
1:2:1. 2:1.
Two is to
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Red 1. Pink.
2,
2.
White.
1.
1,
Genotypic ratio.
1,
1:2.
1:2.
Capital R, small r, how many?
2.
2,
2.
Small r, small r.
1.
1,
Means there is a deviation in the Mendel's phenotypic ratio, no?
yes, sir.
Instead of 3:1.
1:2:1.
So both phenotypic and genotypic ratios are
Same.
Same.
Followed up.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this is known as.
Incomplete.
Dominance.
Dominance.
So what is incomplete dominance? According to Mendel, complete dominance in heterozygous condition. In heterozygous condition, dominant character is completely expressed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Anand? But here in this case, what happened? It is deviation, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Anand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the F1 progenies which are formed totally different from both of the parents, no?
Yes.
But in Mendel's, the F1 progeny which is formed, it is appear like a one of the parent. Yes or no?
Yes.
Which parent?
Dominant parent.
Dominant. Here F1 progeny appears either of the parent.
Neither of the two.
It is appears either of the parent.
No, sir.
So the F1 generation is totally different from the both the parents,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and it is intermediate between the both the parents.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Red and white, pink, intermediate, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is a partial dominance, no?
Yes, sir.
So here, in this case, here, none of the two alleles of a gene is dominant over each other, no?
Yes, sir.
Capital R, small r, none of them is completely dominant over each other.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yes or no, Anana? But when heterozygous condition, when the both the alleles of a gene present together, none of them is dominant over each other. But somewhat intermediate between the both the parental characters are seen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And here dominant gene is not not completely dominant over one of the parent recessive parent, no? Are you
Yes.
following us?
Yes, sir.
In this case, dominant allele is completely expressing the character or incompletely?
Incomplete.
Incomplete. Are you following, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completely expressing the character?
No, sir.
So it is not completely expressing, it is incompletely expressing.
Express.
Fine.
Incomplete.
Complete dominance.
So completely expression when it is seen when two dominant alleles are present together. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For example, if R is there, it is synthesizes 50% pigment. Okay, na? Pigment for which color?
Red color.
If RR is there, if now 100% red color, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
R is the gene for the to synthesize the
Red pigment.
red pigment. So R a gene converting the substrate into product, that is pigment. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And when two are present, more pigment is synthesized, no?
Yes, sir.
If R is present, 50% pigment. Another R is there means 50%. Total,
100%.
if capital R, small r is there,
50%.
only 50%. That's why it is.
Pink.
Pink.
If small r is there, no pigment synthesis, then
Yeah.
hence
White.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here no pigment synthesis. Are you following now? Here pigment synthesis is how much?
50%.
50%.
Here, pigment synthesis is.
100%.
So that means in heterozygous condition, dominant allele is incompletely expressing its character. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You got the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
So this is same for the both the cases. Okay, na? Antirrhinum as well as flower coloring. Flower coloring.
Incomplete.
Flower coloring.
Mirabilis.
Mirabilis.
Mirabilis jalapa.
Followed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, no? Yeah. Next,
Codominance.
which dominance?
Sir, then
Codom.
in this incomplete dominance, both the phenotype and genotypic ratio will be same every time.
Every time.
Okay.
Can you tell size of the starch if it is there like this? Here, starch size is
Large.
here.
Medium.
Intermediate. What's the medium? Okay. Here,
Small.
Small.
followed.
Small.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you got the clarity now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one?
Codominance, sir.
It is also deviation to law of
Mendel.
Inheritance.
which law?
Law of inheritance.
Law of
Inheritance.
me bandare.
Dominance. Of dominance.
Dominance.
Law of inheritance. Laws of inheritance are three types, Rani. Our law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next is the
Codominance.
codominance. Okay. Akka codominance only?
Yes, sir.
Examples are important. First, we discuss about the examples, then we go for the codominance explanation. Okay, na? What are the examples for the codominance? AB blood group
Blood.
in human. Okay, na? Any doubt? Any doubt, bhai?
No, sir.
Mn blood group. Okay. Third one. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell hemoglobin. Hemo.
So what is the second example?
Mn blood group. Third one is sickle cell hemoglobin. Okay, na? And here, sickle, SIC, spelling now. Sickle. Sickle cell anemia carrier. This is important. It is not causing sickle cell anemia disease. Sickle cell anemia carrier. Codominance. Okay, na? Good color in Kathy. Seed coat in lens culinaris. Lentil. These are the examples. Okay, now, bhai? Still any doubts, sir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Here, seed coat to means air or fur. Anything you can consider. Okay, na? Air or fur. Tomorrow I will explain this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your syllabus is up to?
Polygenic inheritance.
Out of syllabus. Okay. If possible, Thursday study hour I will take. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
You
sir.
can get time for preparation on Saturday. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, above seed coat color, what did you write, sir?
The seed coat color ego na. Coat color in cattle. Air or fur. Color of air or color of fur. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.